Newspaper articles, blog posts, YouTube videos, podcasts, social media platforms, wherever you go, topics about how to get rich are quite popular. Whether the contents are about cliche pieces of advice or newfound tricks, it would garner hundreds if not millions of views. That just shows how desperate people are nowadays to accumulate wealth and get rich. After all, most of us want to live in financial comfort and stability. We want to be rich to be able to buy anything we want and to have access to a luxurious lifestyle. While the end goal is clear, it's kind of hard to know where to begin. However, no matter how desperate we are, we must always remember that becoming rich would take time and effort. There's no such thing as a get-rich-quick scheme. Unless you win a lottery or heir to a multi-millionaire conglomerate, becoming rich in most cases involves a lot of hard work, patience, and time. But don't get so down. There are still certain proven and tested formulas that you can try, and that's what I will be sharing with you in today's video. Welcome to Thrivetastic. If you're new here, why not hit that subscribe button and join our community? And as always guys, give this video a thumbs up for that YouTube algorithm. Step 1. Work on your mindset. Attempting to become a self-made successful person without the right mindset is like trying to dig a hole with a teaspoon. It's a horrible idea. What goes on inside your brain greatly affects the results of what you do. I could spend an hour with you and tell you if your mindset is the right one or not. Everything is important. How you think you do, how you do it, what you say, how you communicate, all of it. Germany Kent said, "Your words control your life, your progress, your results, even your mental and physical health." You cannot talk like a failure and expect to be successful. That being said, there are certain things you need to change to work on your mindset. 1. How you interpret failure. Imagine launching a business and losing all of your money in 2 months. How would you react to that? Would you be frustrated and give up on your business? Or do you keep trying until you succeed? Failure, you see, is nothing more than a painful lesson. As much as it may hurt, life teaches you something every time you fail. And if you try hard enough, you can learn something from anything. It's not about what happens, it's about how you interpret what happens. 2. How you think about rich people and money. Do you have a negative attitude towards money and wealthy people? Did your mother ever warn you as a child that money is the foundation of all evil? If you see a wealthy person on the street and immediately go into attack mode and judge him, you need to change your way of thinking. Jealousy is the emotion you are experiencing. You can't make money if you despise those who have it. You're not a bad person because you have money. Money is inherently neutral. It simply amplifies your personality. So if you're a nasty poor person who becomes rich, you'll be a bad rich person. On the other hand, money will make you a good rich person if you're already a good but poor person. 3. Work ethic. In Dan Gilroy's film Nightcrawler, Lewis says if you want to win the lottery, you have to make the money to buy the ticket. Even if success does not come by chance, you must work for it. If you want to be wealthy, you must get things done. Work is crucial, which is why you should work in an industry that you enjoy. You must enjoy what you do. If you do, you will eventually stop asking for breaks because you enjoy what you do so much that working is preferable to taking a break. Step 2. Be financially educated. It's pointless to make $50 million if you squander it all. It is critical to be financially literate. Just take a look around. You've probably heard stories about ordinary folks who won the lotto and suddenly made millions of dollars, only to lose it all in a matter of months. Why is that? Simple. They have no idea how money works or what to do with it. If you want to improve your financial skills, you must start today and practice good financial habits. Here's what you should focus on. 1. Buy assets, not liabilities. Assets in business are items that have the potential to generate more money in the future. Liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket. Rich people prioritize investing. Thus, they don't like incurring liabilities every time they make a big purchase. Be prudent and consider if your purchases will depreciate or increase in value over time. 2. Practice healthy financial habits. Your habits define who you are. And I bet your financial habits are unhealthy or looking to improve, considering that you are here right now. As little as you make, you should start practicing saving and investing now. Limit yourself to spending only a certain percentage of your income and do your best to save another percentage. It doesn't matter if you don't make a lot, but if you don't save and invest now, what makes you think you will when you're rich? Steps 1 and 2 are all about practicing and creating your ideal mindset and habits. Step 3. Work on your skills. Just like you can't make lemonade if you don't have any lemons, you can't make money unless you have a skill. You must have something to offer the market. You must earn your worth. If you want to create a business, that's fantastic. But first, you must accumulate funds and the ability to generate profit. You must enter the fray and begin offering something worthwhile, which may be anything you can monetize your passion for. You may most likely learn it for free on the internet. So, here's a tip for acquiring skills faster. Practice focus. How do you plan to learn more quickly if you're constantly interrupted? You're probably sitting at your desk, drinking coffee and attempting to get some work done. You place your fingers on the keyboard and begin typing crucial data. The phone rings and your cat demands attention. Your phone begins to get messages from others and you find yourself wanting to take a break. Before you know it, 2 hours have passed and you haven't done anything but eat, check the web, and chat. That's a waste of time. Remove all distractions while learning or working. Let everyone know you're busy. Turn off your phone as much as it hurts you and go into deep focus mode. You can progress to a profitable talent of your choice once you understand how to learn efficiently. Step 4. Support your dream. Whether you're launching a business or developing your own brand, it's difficult to break into a competitive industry. Have you ever wondered why it's so easy to lose a regular job? Working as an assistant, for example, you might quickly lose your job if you're not efficient enough, and it won't be difficult for your employer to find a new employee. The market is flooded with people looking for that job, which is why conventional employment isn't very profitable. To get paid more, you must be more irreplaceable and unique. Assume you are the sole vendor of tomatoes in your state. Your business will be doing great. But if you're simply one of the hundreds of tomato dealers, it will be far more difficult to find customers. So, once you've finished the previous step, you should work on developing that ability, which can be whatever you want. Another wonderful tip is to combine 2 seldom mixed skills rather than just one. For example, if you enjoy cooking and are a programmer, you may specialize in designing websites for restaurants. Whatever expertise or business you choose, be sure it is not only profitable but also provides you with the opportunity to become irreplaceable. Step 5. Fail as if you like failing. You're prepared to fail big time now that you're in business and selling your services to the market. This stage is all about trying new things. You may even discover that the skills you choose to acquire aren't a good fit for you, which is fine. We've already discussed how vital failure is to success, but getting used to it isn't as simple as it sounds. Recognizing that by failing, you are growing may help you at first, but it will take some time before you can genuinely look at failing as a positive thing. Getting rich is not simple, and you may feel overwhelmed at times, but it is a good thing since it signifies that you are growing. Those are the stages that millions of people have taken to get from poor to affluent. It sounds simple because it isn't complicated, but it is difficult. You must put in a lot of time and dedication. So let's review what you learned today. 1. Build a strong mindset by modifying your perception of failure, your negative associations with money, the people you help, and your work ethic. 2. Receive some financial education from knowledgeable people and follow positive financial practices such as purchasing assets rather than liabilities. 3. Improve your capacity to learn quickly by strengthening your focus. 4. Begin earning money and supporting your dream by providing a valued skill to the market. The more irreplaceable you are, the higher your pay will be. 5. Start liking failure and losing. Consider failure as a stepping stone to your success. And that's it for today's video. Before we end, please tell us what you think in the comment section down below. About today's content, your insights, opinions, and feedbacks are always welcome. They always inspire us to create more meaningful content and drive us to improve for the better. Thank you for watching this Thrivetastic video. So if you found it valuable, consider subscribing to our channel and joining our awesome community. And if you're still hungry for more, we handpicked this awesome Thrivetastic video for you to watch next.